Most people trade time for money. They work a job, get a paycheck. This is called earned income. Rich people don't rely on earned income. They build multiple streams of income. This is called passive income. Passive income is money that works for you, not the other way around. It flows in whether you're working or not. This is how the rich achieve financial freedom. Onpassive is a company that understands this. But before we get started, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks, I appreciate it. Onpassive is your partner in building wealth. They offer a suite of AI-powered tools designed to generate passive income. These tools are easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. One of these tools is OConnect. It's a powerful marketing platform that helps you reach a wider audience. Imagine effortlessly connecting with potential customers. Then there's OTracker, a tool that tracks your online business performance. You can see what's working and what's not. This helps you make informed decisions and maximize your profits. OTrim is another game changer in the digital marketing landscape. It's an AI-powered video marketing tool that revolutionizes how you create and share content. It will shorten your links to make them easier to share to others. It also brands them so they are easier to be seen while online. Internet marketing is essential in today's digital world, where attention spans are short and competition is fierce. And let's not forget OCreate, another powerful tool in your arsenal. This tool helps you design stunning websites and landing pages that captivate your audience and drive conversions. A strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed in the digital age. These are just a few of the many tools Onpassive will offer to streamline your business operations. Each one is designed to help you generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. They're like having a team of experts working for you 24/7, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Section 4. Beyond Onpassive, unleashing your inner entrepreneur. Onpassive provides the tools, but you need to use them. Don't be afraid to explore different income streams. Think about your passions and skills. Maybe you enjoy writing. You could start a blog or offer freelance writing services. Are you good at crafting? Sell your creations online. The possibilities are endless. The key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small and build from there. Section 5. Diversification, the key to financial security. Diversification is a fundamental principle in achieving financial stability and growth. Having multiple streams of income is like having multiple safety nets. These streams can include salaries, rental income, dividends, and even side businesses. If one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. This provides financial security and ensures that you are not left stranded in times of need. It also gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have multiple sources of income can reduce stress and allow you to focus on other important aspects of life. You're not relying on a single source of income. This diversification means that your financial well-being is not tied to the success or failure of one venture. This allows you to weather economic storms. In times of economic downturns, having multiple income streams can be a lifesaver. You can focus on what matters most. With financial security, you can spend more quality time with your family and pursue your passions without constant financial worries. Diversification is essential for long-term financial stability. It helps in building a robust financial foundation that can support you through various phases of life. It's like having a diversified investment portfolio. Just as you wouldn't invest all your money in one stock, you shouldn't rely on a single income source. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments and income sources to ensure a balanced and secure financial future. Section 6. Achieving financial freedom, the Onpassive advantage. Onpassive empowers you to achieve financial freedom by providing innovative tools and resources. Their tools make it easier than ever to build multiple streams of income, ensuring you have a steady flow of revenue. You can escape the rat race and break free from the monotony of a 9-to-5 job. Imagine having more time for family and friends, creating lasting memories with your loved ones. You could travel the world, explore new cultures, or pursue your passions and hobbies without financial constraints. Financial freedom gives you choices. allowing you to make decisions that align with your values and dreams. It's not just about money, it's about the quality of life and the freedom to live it fully. It's about living life on your own terms, embracing the adventures and tranquility that come your way. Onpassive gives you the opportunity to design your ideal lifestyle, tailored to your personal goals and aspirations. Take control of your financial future with confidence and clarity. Start building your passive, multiple income streams today and pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.